In a world where customers increasingly demand shorter lead times, faster delivery and customized everything, manufacturing will only stay competitive by evolving. The factory of the future is coming, and we're here to help you make it happen. Here's how. The IoT Gateway integrates old and new machinery into networked environments so they can all play their part in the digital age. Through networking the machines and modules, it turns them into communication-capable IoT devices. From connectivity through to optimization, the IoT Gateway ensures your business is ready for a smooth transition between today's manufacturing technology and the innovation that lies ahead. The personal trainer is just one member of our elite team of automation experts, helping you deliver the factory of the future. For an introduction to the whole family team and find out more about the factory of the future, visit our website. Bosch Rexroth. We move, you win.